Hey fans, welcome back to Fuzzy TV, the home of soccer fuzz, transfer news, and Bundesliga highlights. Hope you guys enjoy my channel. Keep on subscribing, and pretty soon there'll be a jersey giveaway. I won't tell you when, but it'll happen. Alright, so let's start with Manchester City transfer season of summer 2013. It was crazy. There was about 102 million euros spent on players for Manchester City. Do you guys think they'll win anything? I don't think so. Pellegrini doesn't have that talent. But first transfer that they brought in, I think was a pretty good buy, is Jesus Navas for 17 million euros. The guy was an amazing player at Sevilla. You know what? He's 27, but he has a lot to bring in for Manchester City, and I think they will do a lot better with this guy playing in the team. I believe in it. The other guy is Fernandinho, the center midfielder from Shakhtar Donetsk. Came into Manchester City for 35 million euros. Seriously? He's freaking 28! Okay, I don't get this. I don't freaking get it. How can players that old be sold for that much? Just like Soldado to Tottenham for freaking 28 million? Too much. 35 million? Just ridiculous. The other guy is Alvaro Negredo. You know, the guy was about to go to Liverpool, decided to go to Manchester City, again, bigger team, more money. 27-year-old Spanish international went to Manchester City for 22 million euros. Again with the money, 27-year-old. Too much for the player. I don't think it was a good buy for Manchester City. They spent money on ridiculous players this year where they could have invested in a lot of young players like Bernard that went to Shakhtar. You know, Shakhtar did a lot of amazing things, and I'll make a video about them, how many Brazilians they brought this year. Let's go back to Manchester City. The guy that they brought this year that I'm actually happy for is Stevan Jovetic from Fiorentina. The guy is an amazing striker. Still 23. They brought him in for 22 million euros. You know what? That was a good buy. Goodbye. I hope the guy performs well. He's a good substitute for Carlos Tevez. This guy will perform good too. Alright, so Dimitrievski came to freaking Manchester City just because Kompany got injured and Nastasic got injured. The guy came over from Atletico Madrid for 4.4 million euros. Great substitute for those players, but Dimitrievski just got injured too. Whoops. I don't know what Pellegrini's doing, but it's looking bad for me. Alright. Now let's go to the transfers out of Manchester City. The first one is Gareth Barry. Sorry, not Gareth Bale. They wish. Gareth Barry, 32-year-old English international that doesn't play anymore out there. He went to Everton on freaking full season loan. The guy is an amazing freaking midfielder, but he got old. You know what? We all get old. So hope you have a good season with Everton. Everton looks like a great team this year, and I hope they stay in Premier League. Alright. You know what? The number one sale of Manchester City is Carlos Tevez to freaking Juventus with Messi for 7.9 million euros. That's freaking nuts, but the player deserves a team where he will be appreciated, and the old lady was a great choice for Carlos Tevez. Now, the man that I've been looking after a lot, but he's been looking really down, and Scott Sinclair went on loan to West Brom Albion for 2.4 million euros for the whole season. Now, the guy will show everybody that he's a great striker, but I hope he doesn't get injured so he doesn't stay at West Brom after this season, because I want him to come back to Manchester City and to perform better than those players on Manchester City. Jesus. Alright, now these two players, free agents. Kolo Touré went to Liverpool. Greatest signing for Liverpool. He's already been performing amazing. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for Liverpool. Let's go to Wayne Bridge, the ex-Chelsea freaking left back. Went to Reading FC on a free transfer. He's 32. Same as Kolo Touré is 32. You know what? Crazy. But Manchester City made only 10 million euros this year off of sales, and they spent 102. Jesus, Premier League, I don't know what you're spending on, because you got a lot of British players sitting on the bench waiting for that talent to happen. You know what? Hope it happens soon, because if you keep on buying all these international players, England will do terrible in World Cup and in Euro Cup. Alright fans, hope you guys enjoy. Keep on subscribing, keep on watching my summaries of transfers of 2013. Hope you guys enjoy it and see you later.